Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to scan Spotify code. It's a very simple and easy process and I'm going to guide you through how to do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, launch the Spotify app. Once you're in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. Now, in order to scan the Spotify code, you need to go to the search section first. Here you can see the search icon at the bottom left corner. Tap on it. Once you're in the search page, you can see the camera icon at the top right corner. Tap on it. Select scan. And you can capture a Spotify code from here. In order to generate the Spotify code, you can go to any playlist, song or artist page. And after that, you can tap on the three dots icon. At the bottom, you can see the show Spotify code option. You can tap on it. And it will generate a Spotify code for that. And you can go up to your search bar and open up the camera icon and scan that Spotify code. So that's it. That's how you can easily scan the Spotify code. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.